the most important question consider of this exercise, the question number 5. Let's see what the question is. It is given that on an organization selected 2400 families at the random and they surveyed them to determine a relationship between the income level and the number of vehicles in a family. क्या सर्वे किया आप समझो कि they have taken 2400 families. उनका सर्वे क्या है कि फैमिलीज की इनकम क्या है और अकॉर्डिंग टू द इनकम उनके पास कितने व्हीकल्स हैं. दिस इज द सर्वे विच यू कैन सी हियर इनटू द on the blackboard in the table. The information gathered is listed here. We have to find out the probabilities given that suppose a family is chosen. Find the probability that the family chosen is. Let's go for the first question. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछा है which earning between 10,000 to 13,000. सबसे पहले हम लिखते हैं कि टोटल कितने फैमिलीज हैं विच वी रिक्वायर. टोटल फैमिलीज दैट इज 2400. सो वी कैन सी दिस आर द टोटल आउटकम्स. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द फैमिली विच वी हैव टू चूज विच अर्निंग बिटवीन 10,000 to 13,000 per month and having exactly 2 vehicles. Earning between 10,000 to 13,000 and exact 2 vehicles. So let's see that which is the row we have to go for. This one 10 to 13,000. That means ये रो में जाना है. और दूसरा कंडीशंस क्या है? Having exact 2 vehicles. तो 2 vehicles. So we can say there are only 29 families. सिर्फ 29 families ऐसे हैं कि those who's earning between this और उनके पास सिर्फ और एग्जैक्ट 2 व्हीकल्स हैं. सो व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी? द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दिस इवेंट इज 29 अपॉन 2400. स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वे. लेट अस सी वन मोर क्वेश्चन. एक और क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. इट इज सेड दैट अर्निंग अबाउट 16,000, मतलब ये रो देखना है, 16,000 और मोर per month and owning exact 1 vehicle. Okay, let us give that event B, that is 16,000 or more and 1 vehicle. So let's see this one row, exact 1 vehicle. This is number 1. So there are 579 such families. Total कितने families है? 579 having only 1 vehicle, those who are earning more than 16,000. So इसके probabilities, this is the outcomes of the event which were required. So this 579 upon total outcomes, that is 2400. Let us go for one more question. Third number. यहाँ पे है earning less than 7,000 per month. Let me give that event C, that is less than 7,000. हम ऐसे लिखते हैं लेस देन 7,000 एंड द कंडीशन इज डज नॉट हैव ओन एनी व्हीकल. दैट मीन्स एंड नो व्हीकल्स. दे हैव नो व्हीकल्स. लेस देन 7,000 मतलब ये रो होगा और नो व्हीकल्स में दिस इज व्हाट वी रिक्वायर. 0 व्हीकल्स मतलब नो व्हीकल्स. सो देर आर 10 सच फैमिलीज हैविंग नो व्हीकल्स, दोज हु आर अर्निंग लेस देन 7,000. सो वी कैन राइट 10 हियर. So the probability of this event is 10 upon 2400. You can cut 1 0 if you wish, so it is 1 upon 240. Let us go for one more question. Earning rupees 13,000 and 16,000. तो ये आएगा earning between 13,000 to 16,000 and owning more than 2 vehicles. More than 2, that means about 2 and about 2 vehicles. So how many families we have? 25 such families. So the probability of this event is 25 upon 2400. You can cut if you wish. आप cut कर सकते हो. 5 5s are 5 4s are 20, 8s are still 5 1s are 5 9s are 45, 5 6 are. So it comes 1 upon 96. Let us go for last question. It is said that owning not more than one vehicle. कुछ conditions नहीं है. Not more than one vehicle. This is one of the most important question of this. वापस एक बार क्वेश्चन. Owning not more than one vehicles. मगर यहाँ पे they have not given the income. मतलब we have to consider as a whole. हमें सब में से चेक करना है. सिर्फ बाकी और क्वेश्चंस में rest all the sums they have given the conditions that how much the family is earning per month. मगर ये क्वेश्चंस में वो है ही नहीं. That means you have to take consider all this. Not more than one. तो यहां पे एक से ज्यादा नहीं होने चाहिए vehicles. When it is said that not more than one, so it can include 1 as well as 0. So you remember we have to do the sum of this all. That means 10 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 and sum of all this. क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हैं दोबारा एक बार समझ लो. What question is asked in that question? We have to find such families they are having not more than one vehicles. ऐसी families जिसके पास एक से ज्यादा vehicles नहीं है. तो एक vehicle भी चलेगा और नहीं होगा तो भी चलेगा. Not more than one. तो we are not considered this two column, that is 2 and above 2. So both the columns we have to consider. और इन सब का addition करना पड़ेगा. It's 160 plus 305 plus 535 plus 469 plus 579. So let's do the sum of all this. Sum is 2062. So let us find the probability of this event. That is 2062 upon 2400. This is what the sum. Again you can cut with 2. 2 ones are 0s are, 3s are 1s are, 1200. So it is 1031 upon 1200. You can form many questions from this. ये टेबल से हम बहुत सारे अलग अलग क्वेश्चंस बना सकते हैं. So I hope you understand the question and it is very interesting and very important.